The other edition, which is a professional edition, wherein you can go up to 20 users. So it's a 20 user package, and it could also have multiple domains. It can have up to 3 domains that you can subscribe to on cloud. Again, this is something that is also easily affordable. This is very, very attractive for the organizations who has got more than one domain as part of their business, and they would like to manage it, because if you do not manage the master data carefully, then entire operations are going to be skewed, because the reporting is not going to be right, then business intelligence that comes out of it is not going to be right, the transactions that are using the master data to generate the analytics are also not going to be right. So professional edition is for those who are small enterprises or small to medium enterprises, who has got a requirement of up to 20 users and multiple domains. They can easily subscribe to the professional edition, and there are a lot of features that you can go out on the subscriptions page and look out for.